Is your Visa gift card being declined, leaving you stuck at checkout? Don't worry, because we're about to break down exactly why that's happening and how to fix it in under 90 seconds. First, and most obviously, double-check your balance. Head to the Visa gift card issuer's website. You'll usually find the URL printed right on the back of the card. Enter your card number and security code to see how much you have left. Next, ensure your billing address matches exactly what's registered to the card. Most Visa gift cards require you to register a billing address online before using them for online purchases. This address has to be entered precisely as it appears on your account when you're entering billing details on the website where you're making your purchase. Even a small difference can cause a decline. Pay close attention to the street number, street name, apartment number, and zip code. Any discrepancies here will immediately prevent you from using the gift card. It should match what you put in when you registered the billing address on the card's website. Make sure your card is activated. Most gift cards need to be activated before use. There's usually a sticker on the front with instructions, or you might have to call a toll-free number. Again, it will be printed directly on the card. Keep in mind that some merchants might put a hold on your card for a larger amount than your purchase, especially at restaurants or hotels. This hold might exceed your available balance, causing the decline. If you're sure you have enough funds and have followed all the steps, call the issuer's customer service number. They can usually clear up any issues or at least give you a better understanding of what's going on. By following these simple steps, you should be back to using that Visa gift card in no time. Give this video a like if it was helpful and subscribe for more easy finance tips.